How to add your business to Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So first, you will need to have a Google account and make sure that you're signed in with it. So once you actually create your Google account and sign in with it, you can see that from the top right corner. You simply just want to go to google.com and search up Google Business Profile and just go ahead and hit enter. Now you simply just want to click on this link right here, business.google.com, and you want to click on Start Now. So you're just going to start filling out the business information like the business name and the business category. Once you're done, you can just simply click on Next. Now with this, you are going to be asked, do you want to add a location customers can visit like a store or office? Now, obviously, because this video is entirely based on to add your business on Google Maps, you want to click on yes. And once you click on yes, you're going to be prompted to actually add that location. So you're just going to go ahead and start adding your address to that specific place or location. So once you add your address, it's going to ask you a few questions like, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? You can obviously select yes or no based off of your business and click on next. Here you can just feel free to add contact details that customers can see so they can actually contact you. But I'm just going to go ahead and skip this. Obviously this is completely up to you and optional. And then you're just going to basically add more information about your business, like the different services that you're going to be giving and so on. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and skip, but obviously all of these things are really going to help your business out. So even though I'm skipping because this is a tutorial, for your case, you should actually go ahead and add every single thing that you can add. But like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this. Again, same thing goes for the business hours. You can just go and select the days and also the times for each day and click on next. Here you're going to add your business description and some media for your store. So you're just going to add images of the actual place. So people are going to be able to identify it easily and be able to actually visit the place. Again, I'm just going to skip this, but for your sake, don't skip it. Just click on select images and upload any image that you have. And then lastly, it's just going to say your edits will be visible once you're verified, and you are just going to click on continue. Now this could take a little bit of time. Now, as you can see here, this is the made up name of the company that I just created, and it says not publicly visible because I need to actually get verified. So in order to actually get verified, you simply are going to find this button here, and you simply just want to click on get verified. Now, how you're going to actually get verified depends on your business. If I just click on get verified now, it's just going to ask me a few things. For example, if the actual location that you added has other businesses around, it may ask you if that's you or not, but I'm just going to select none of these. And then it's just going to ask you some more stuff like your phone number, maybe even a video of yourself. To be honest, it is different from one business to another. So it really just depends on what they ask you to do. But anyways, you just simply wanted to go through the verification steps. And once you're done, it's just going to take a little bit more time. And then you should actually be visible on Google Maps, and your business now is officially on Google. So like I said, if you don't show up on Google Maps right away, don't panic. If you follow these steps correctly and got verified, it's just going to take a little bit of time and you will end up being on Google Maps. Now, I am just going to note one more thing is that you can always just go back to Google, type in my business. You should be able to find it and edit everything from here. You can just click on edit profile, read reviews, and your location. You can even adjust it from here. And by the way, this is just a dummy location that I added. But yeah, this is pretty much how to get on Google Maps with your business. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.